Welcome back, students. Yesterday, as I have told you that we are going to finish this poem, which is titled as Night Voices, written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. So we have gone through the beginning of the two stanzas. We have completed two stanzas. Remaining two stanzas will complete right now. So let us start the third stanza. Very prominent this is because the beginning two stanzas were only the ordinary stanzas in which the child is asking something, some fearful questions the child is asking to his father, and ultimately father is giving some answers, but ultimately the child is not satisfied. So let us observe the remaining two stanzas, that is the third stanza and the fourth one, and we will I will hope I hope that the reader, especially you, could correlate yourself with these two stanzas and try to understand whether the child is satisfied by the answers of his father or not. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Father, Father, who is that laughs at us? Child is asking that father, oh father, please tell me who is that who is laughing continuously? At the night, when at the time of the dusk, when the sun has already set, some voices started coming, and the babies, especially the child, started crying, and ultimately they become fearful. So the child, which you can see straight away in this picture, that how much fearful he is sitting in the lap of his father, and he's asking some questions which is relating to the third stanza, that oh father, who is that who is laughing continuously? Who is it who chuckles in the glen? Now what do you understand by chuckles? This word means that laughing but not straight away. What it means? चकल्स मीन्स आप ये समझ लीजिए कि जब कोई बहुत ही दब कर हंसे और उसकी हंसी में एक डरावना एक इमोशंस हों जिससे कि आप डर जाएं, दैट इज कॉल्ड चकल्स इन द ग्लेन. नाउ व्हाट इज ग्लेन? ग्लेन मीन्स वैली, VALLEY, वैली, स्पेशली इन स्कॉटलैंड and Ireland. So a valley which is situated in Scotland or Ireland is to be called glen. So baby is asking that who is that man who is chuckles in the glen? Who is that who is laughing down from the valley? Oh father, let us go, for the light is burning low. Now you can see in the first topic, in the first day conversation, I have already told you that there is a rhyming scheme of A, B, C, C, B. Now this is continuously, this rhyming scheme has been taken by the poet in each and every stanzas. So you have to keep this in your mind. बहुत ही आसानी से समझना होगा. राइमिंग स्कीम हर एक स्टांजा में ABCCB यही फॉलो हो रही है. ओ फादर लेट अस गो, फॉर द लाइट इज बर्निंग लो. What child is saying, what child is asking to his father, that father, can we go to a comfortable place where this voice should not come? For the light is burning low, because light is also going to be diminished. लाइट भी बहुत ही कम हो रही है, लाइट अंधेरा बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है. सो कैन वी मूव टूवर्ड्स a comfortable place? Can we move towards a comfortable zone where no voice, no whispering, no murmuring, nothing could I can hear, where nothing no, where no shout is there, I want to go at that particular place. And there's somebody laughing in the glen. Ultimately the child is worried that someone is there who is laughing from the glen. Glen means the valley. And now let's move towards the fourth stanza. Father, father, tell me what you are waiting for. Father is still not moving. So child is very much excited. Child is very much afraid of his father's reaction, because father is not moving. He is just sitting and he is, still. He is not movable. He is immovable. Tell me why your eyes are on the door, oh father. Why are you not moving, just looking continuously at the door? Why are you looking at the door? What is the reason behind it? Tell me that. It is dark and it is late. Father, it is very much dark now. It is very much late now. What are you waiting for? Why are you looking at the door? Why we are not moving from here? It is a dangerous place. It means altogether the child wants a comfort place जहाँ पे उसको बिल्कुल भी डर न लगे. But you sit so still. What is the meaning of still? The child is saying, but you stands for his father. You stands for his father. Father, why are you sitting so still and straight? Why are you not moving at all? Why are you sitting still? Still means immovable. You're not moving at all. You're just fixed on a particular place and you are sitting straight. Why can't you move? Ever staring, ever smiling at the door. Staring means looking at particular point continuously. तो वो कहाँ देख रहा है? स्टेयरिंग कहाँ कर रहा है? डोर पे. स्माइलिंग कहाँ कर रहा है? स्माइलिंग करते हुए डोर की तरफ वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली देख रहा है. So what is the conclusion of this poem? You can understand that father जो है वो बिल्कुल ही नर्वस नहीं है. वो जान रहे हैं कि कोई खतरा नहीं है यहाँ पे. बट जो है फादर ये जान रहे हैं, ये मान रहे हैं कि बच्चा जो कि अननेसेसरी क्वेश्चंस कर रहा है, फादर का कहना ये है कि बिल्कुल डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट अल्टीमेटली डर तो लगती है बच्चों को. एंड दिस पोएम इज़ ऑल अबाउट द फियरफुल ऑफ द नाइट वॉइसेस. Okay, so I hope you all understood. Now I will share some notes basis on the questions, the reference to the context, each and everything I'm going to give you. I'm going to WhatsApp you in the group itself. So read at once this poem and try to understand each and everything. If any doubt, you can contact me. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.